Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, we have done topic noun. Let's recall the topic. A noun is a name of person, place or thing. A noun is a name of person, place or thing. So student, a noun is a name of person, place and thing. And we have also done its five kinds. Common noun, proper noun, material noun, abstract noun and collective noun. Next comes to the category of noun. Here we can see that noun can be classified into two types, countable noun and uncountable noun. Noun can be classified into two types, countable and uncountable. What are the countables? The nouns that we can count are called countable nouns. I repeat, nouns that can be counted are called countable noun. For example, cows, men, children, books, etc. All these nouns can be counted. Okay, next category is the uncountable noun. Nouns that can't be counted. The nouns that can't be counted are called uncountable nouns. Okay, nouns that can't be counted are called uncountable nouns. For example, water, rice, sugar, happiness. So all these nouns we can't count. So these are called uncountable nouns. So student, countable noun can further classified. Countable noun can further classified into two types. Which type? Singular noun and plural noun. Countable noun can further be classified into two types, singular nouns and plural noun. So what are the singular? Singular nouns are that stands for only one person or thing. Okay. So what are the singular nouns? Nouns that stand for only one person or one thing are called singular noun. And what are the plural nouns? Nouns that stand for more than one person or thing. Nouns that stand for more than one person or things are called plural noun. So cow. Cow is a single. It is called singular. Cows. These are more cows. So these are called plural. Okay. Students, in your Bravia there is a list of nouns, singular and plural. So first list is in the first category. We can make plural by just adding s. Formation of plurals we are going to continue. In first category we can form plurals by just adding s. We can see in these examples apple, apples, eye, eyes, bee, bees, cloak, cloaks. So all these nouns are just forms by adding s after them. So you all have to read them. Next comes the second type. Now nouns ending in s, double s, x, sh or ch form their plural by adding es. So nouns that are having these words at the end. Nouns that are having these words at the end are formed by es. For example, s. Double s is at the last. We have formed plural by adding es. Glass. There is double s at the last. We have added es. Okay. Here brush. There is sh at the last and we have added brushes. Es. Okay. Bench. ch. We have made plural benches. Es. Okay. Then next. Nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant form their plural by changing y into ies. When there is a y at the last and it is preceded by a consonant, means before y there is a consonant. Here y is written fairy and before y there is r. R is a consonant. So we can here cut y and in place of Y we will write down IES. Fairies, pony, ponies, country, countries. So now comes next type. Here comes some exceptions. But if the final Y is preceded by vowels A, E, I, O, U, then we can make plural by adding S. Okay. Here journey. Journey is written and at the last there is Y. But before Y there is E. E is a vowel. So we have formed here journeys. Pay. Pay. Before Y there is written A. A is a vowel and we have formed its plural by adding S. Pays. Okay. Next is a nouns ending in O preceded by consonant generally form their plural by adding ES. Consonant and before consonant there is nouns who are adding with O and before O there is a consonant. They are formed plural by adding ES. Here in this volcano, O is written at the last and before O there is N. So we have formed its plural by adding ES. Eco, O is at the last and before O there is H and we have formed plural by adding ES. Okay. Next is nouns ending in double O, IO, EO, YO or some words ending in O preceded by consonant and form their plural by S. Means in example it is clear. Bamboo. Last words are double O and before double O there is a consonant and we have formed its plural by adding S. Okay. Next comes nouns ending in F or FE form plural by changing F or FE into VES. For example, knife. Here FE is written and we have changed FE into VES. Knives. Here is sheaf and we have changed F into VES. Okay. Next is the scarf. Scarf here is written nouns ending in EF, EFF, ELF or RF or some nouns ending in F form their plural by adding S to the singular. For example, scarf. Scarf is written and in the last F is there but it has but here one thing we have to notice, nouns ending in EF, EFF, ELF or RF or some nouns ending F form their plural by adding just S. Here we will not change F into VES. We will just write down S to make a plural. Okay. Here is scarf, scarves, stuff, stuffs, mischief, mischiefs. Okay. Next is the following nouns are formed their plural by change a word inside a vowel. Means इनमें जो हम change करेंगे ना इनको plural में we will just change some words. Mouse, mice, goose, geese, woman, woman, tooth, teeth. We will not change last word. We will just change some words inside it. Now comes the turn of the Bravia worksheet. 5.1 worksheet number 5.1 is a worksheet that we have to do. First of all, we will read the heading. The heading is rewrite the following sentences by changing the nouns in italics into their plural form and also make other changes wherever necessary. Means जो word italics में लिखे हुए हैं, the words that are written only in italics. Suppose here policeman is written, thief is written. We have to change them in plural. Okay. First sentence is the policeman ran after the thief. Here its plural is policemen. ran after the thieves. Okay, we have changed F into VES. Okay. Next is a medal is given to a soldier when he shows bravery in the warfield. So its plural is medal is changed into medals. When medals are there, na, we will change its verb also. Is will change into are. Medals are given to the soldiers when they show bravery in the warfield. Soldier is changed into soldiers. Okay. When and he is changed into they. Next is a monkey looks somewhat like a man. Monkey is changed into monkeys. When we have written here monkeys, then verb will be look. And a man we have replaced with men. It will men, M-E-N. Her daughter is a teacher. Here her daughter. Daughters we will make its plural by adding S. Her daughters is will change into are teachers. A teacher will replace with teachers. A good servant is one who does his duty well. Good servants, not only servants, servants are those who do their duty well. Okay. So in this way we have solved all these sentences. A car is much expensive than a bicycle. Cars are much expensive than bicycles. A lion is kept in a cage in the zoo. Lions are kept in cages in the zoos. Next, I saw a child flying a kite near the river. I saw children flying kites near the rivers. A donkey brays, but a wolf howls. So, donkeys bray, but wolves howl. Next is, do you prefer a banana or an orange? So, do you prefer bananas or oranges? So, it is very simple worksheet 5.1 and worksheet 5.2 is just similar to it. You have to solve worksheet 5.2 and 5.3. So, do it yourself. I hope you all have understood it well. Thank you.